This homemade cough syrup works better than the one from the pharmacy. If you were once like me who had different brands of cough syrup on my shelf, this is for you. My mom taught me this remedy. Once my kids resume for a new term, I make sure that I have this holy grail. And with this weather in Lagos, the key ingredients here is pure honey. So you need to find a plug for good pure honey. This is around the time when kids contact all sorts of germs from school and end up with cough and catarrh. You just need lemons, lime, honey, ginger, garlic, red onion, cinnamon powder, star anise, and cloves. Soak for 24 hours and you're good to go. While this is very effective, please don't give kids below 1 year because of its honey content. Also, if it persists, please see a doctor. Bye. See you in my next vlog.